Right, what's up people? I'm going to show you how to create a Discord bot, basically, through Discord Bot Maker. It's a cheap resource through Steam, where you can basically create Discord bots. It won't be as updated as, Carbot and, stuff like that. But so first going to go to new application, type in that, or whatever you want the bot to be called, create. Going to go to bot. We're going to give the intents of present intent, server members intent, and message content intent. Save changes. I'm going to scroll back up, reset token, yes. This token will be changed by the end of the video, so don't be trying to do all that shit. Then we're going to go over to Discord Bot Maker. Going to create a new bot. So we're going to go to settings, paste our bot token. That should get filled in. Going to click this link, which will give your bot permissions. It's going to open up. I go yes. We're going to create a server. We're going to go to test, go to authorize, see if we're human or not. We are. So then we're going to go back to Discord Bot Maker. I'm going to create a simple command. Give me 1 second. We should make it so you can see my Discord. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to make a simple command, basically. So we head back over to Discord Bot Maker. So we're going to make a simple command, slash command, saying hello. Bot replies with hey. So we want everyone to have this permission. We're going to create a new action. It's going to send to the, let's make it send to the same channel. Make it say, hey, person. I'm going to go to project, run project, yes. Give it a sec to like load, since it's a new bot. There you go, the bot's now online. So we have a look now on Discord. Do slash hello. And the bot replies with hey person. Should we check here again? That is right, it does reply with hey person. So there's your first command created. If you want to create a more personal command, we can put slash hey. The slash command will be slash hey. Hey person. Oh, spelling mistake. And we're going to make it, we go to send message. So we're going to click the plus, send message. I'm going to type in store member info, member object, which will be the at, where you can click on it, like an interactive one. Temp will be person, and it'll be command user, create action. That there has to always be at the top to store it at the start. If it's under the command, then it can't store anything. I'm gonna make it go hey. And we're gonna right click, insert temp variable, person, an exclamation mark, create action. We're gonna go project, stop project, run project again. Now the bot's online, so we're gonna close that. going to do /hey, and about @URL pings. So we're going to create another command /hi person. We go create store member info member object person 2. That's going to be command user, and we're going to make it right click, insert temp variable, server member, which will be the person with the @ like it shows down here, where it says hey Jord. So we flip back over to Discord bot maker. Hold on, you guys can't see that. Okay, so here we go. You have that there like that. I'm gonna go to embeds, which is like the better messages basically. Title, we want it to be hi. Color, random, or red, or green, but it always has to be in capital letters. We'll go with random. Then description, we wanted to say hi, your Discord name is, and then we're going to go insert temp variable, server member, full stop. We're going to go save data, create action. Then we're going to go to project, stop project. I'm going to go run project, yes. I'm going to close that. If we go here and do /hi, the bot responds with hi. It also pings you there because that was the message. So if we flip back over to here, so that there is the message that's outside the embed. The embed title, which is hi, that's there. Description, and then all that there. So we edit action, project, stop project, file, save current project, and we're done. So make sure you like the video and subscribe. If you need any more Discord bot maker tutorials, let me know and I shall make them for you.